The 2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, aluminum wheels, center armrest, rear defrost, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.